everybody? Thanks for tuning in again. Today we're talking about the Reviver digital license plate, or known as the Rplate. We just installed it on our shop E63 wagon. Basically what it does is replaces the stock license plate with a digital version. You have really cool features like being able to update your registration information live, so you don't need stickers anymore. You could also change out the background colors from black to white or white to black, change out the bottom text if you want to go ahead and add something really cool to say. And you also have telematics to be able to check out where your vehicle was at, where it's going. If the car ever gets stolen, it'll start flashing stolen. We carry these here in-house. It's currently only available in the state of California. It will be rolling out everywhere else. So if you like one for your vehicle, make sure to hit us up. Come down to our studio. We do install them here as well. Thank you very much for tuning in.